Here are a few more Selenium-related questions for your automation testing interview. 21. What are the different types of weights available in Selenium? Selenium provides 3 types of weights. Implicit weights. Set at the WebDriver level, implicit weights wait for a specified amount of time for an element to appear before throwing an exception. Explicit weights. Applied to specific elements or conditions, explicit weights wait for a certain condition to occur before proceeding with the test execution. Fluent weights. A variation of explicit weights. Fluent weights wait for a condition to be satisfied with a certain frequency for a specified maximum duration. 22. How do you handle checkboxes or radio buttons in Selenium? To handle checkboxes or radio buttons in Selenium, you can use the isSelected method to check if the element is selected or not. You can also use the click method to toggle the selection state of the element. 23. How do you handle JavaScript execution in Selenium? Selenium Webdriver provides the execute script method to execute JavaScript code. You can use this method to perform various actions, such as manipulating the DOM, interacting with JavaScript functions, or retrieving values from the web page. 24. What are the different types of test annotations available in TestNG? TestNG provides several annotations to control the test execution flow. @test identifies a method as a test case. @beforetest specifies preconditions that should be met before executing the test cases in a test tag. @aftertest specifies post conditions that should be met after executing the test cases in a test tag. @beforeclass executes once before the first test method in the current class. @afterclass executes once after executing all the test methods in the current class. @before method executes before each test method. @after method executes after each test method. 25. How do you handle browser cookies in Selenium? Selenium WebDriver provides methods to handle cookies. Driver manage get cookies retrieves all cookies visible in the current session. Driver manage get cookie named name retrieves a specific cookie by its name. Driver manage add cookie adds a cookie to the current session. Driver manage delete cookie deletes a specific cookie. Driver manage delete all cookies deletes all cookies in the current session. 26. How do you handle SSL certificate errors in Selenium? To handle SSL certificate errors in Selenium, you can use the desired capabilities class to accept untrusted SSL certificates. Java desired capabilities equals desired capabilities. Chrome capabilities set capability type accept _SSL certs true. WebDriver driver equals new Chrome driver capabilities. 27. How do you generate test reports in Selenium? Selenium does not provide built-in reporting. However, you can integrate Selenium with third-party reporting tools like Extent Reports, TestNG Report, or ReportNG to generate detailed test reports with screenshots, logs, and test execution status. 28. What are the different types of WebDriver implementations available in Selenium? Selenium WebDriver provides various implementations for different web browsers. Chrome Driver implements WebDriver for Google Chrome. Firefox Driver implements WebDriver for Mozilla Firefox. Safari Driver implements WebDriver for Safari. Edge Driver implements WebDriver for Microsoft Edge. Opera Driver implements WebDriver for Opera. Internet Explorer Driver implements WebDriver for Internet Explorer. 29. How do you handle synchronization issues in Selenium? Synchronization issues can be handled in Selenium using implicit weights, explicit weights, and fluent weights. These techniques allow you to wait for certain conditions to be met before proceeding with the test execution, ensuring that the web page is ready and the elements are interactable. 30. What is the difference between close and quit methods in Selenium WebDriver? The close method is used to close the current browser window or tab, while the quit method is used to quit the entire browser session, closing all windows or tabs associated with the WebDriver instance. 31. How do you perform keyboard actions in Selenium? Selenium WebDriver provides the Actions class to perform keyboard actions. You can use methods like send keys, key down, key up, etc. to simulate keyboard interactions such as typing text, pressing keys, or performing keyboard shortcuts. 32. How do you handle SSL certificate errors in Selenium Webdriver? To handle SSL certificate errors in Selenium, you can use the accept untrusted certificates and assume untrusted certificate issuer capabilities along with the desired browser driver. Here's an example for Firefox. Java. Firefox profile equals new Firefox profile. Profile. Set accept untrusted certificates, true. Profile. Set assume untrusted certificate issuer, false. Webdriver driver equals new Firefox driver, profile. 33. How do you handle drag and drop operations in Selenium? Selenium Webdriver provides the actions class to handle drag and drop operations. You can use methods like click and hold, move to element, release, etc. to perform drag and drop actions on web elements. 34. How do you handle browser authentication pop-ups in Selenium? To handle browser authentication pop-ups in Selenium, you can include the username and password in the URL itself. For example, https://username password password@website.com. 35. How do you handle synchronization in Selenium for Ajax-based applications? For Ajax-based applications, you can use explicit waits in Selenium. You can wait for a specific condition or element to be present, visible, or interactable using the expected conditions class along with explicit wait methods like WebDriver wait.